Hi, I'm Paul Kyogan from GKtuition, and in this video I want to talk to you about integration. Now the question I've chosen to go through here is 2018 Paper 1 Question 3 Part B. In this question we're asked to find the average value of the function from x is 0 to x is pi over 4. What that means is find the average distance between the curve and the x-axis from in this region. In the question we were told that the function is h of x is equal to cos 2x. So you need to know that your average value formula is 1 over b minus a times the integral from b to a of your function. Where in this case my b and my a are the limits of the function, the limits being pi over 4 and 0. If I sub in, I just get 1 over pi over 4 minus 0, so 1 over the difference between the limits times the integral of from pi over 4 to 0 of my function. On the next line, if you just plug in this fraction into your calculator, you get 4 over pi. If you integrate cos 2x, you get sine 2x over 2. Notice how going from this line to this line, my integral, I've integrated, so my integral sign disappears, but I introduce square brackets. And outside the square brackets, you have to put in your limits of pi over 4 and 0. The next line now, on the final line here, I need to apply my limits. If I apply my limits, the first thing you do is you sub in pi over 4. If you sub in pi over 4, 2 times pi over 4 becomes pi over 2. So you get sine pi over 2 over 2. And if you sub in your lower limit, which is 0, you just get sine 0 over 2. Now just be careful, make sure your calculator is in radians when you plug that into your calculator. But if you plug all that into your calculator, your final answer is 2 over pi. The average value, or the average distance between the curve and the x-axis from x is 0 to x is pi over 4 is 2 over pi. Okay, so I hope this video made sense. If there's anything there you're unsure of, or you want me to clarify something, then just let me know in class or send me an email and I'll try and explain it differently.